Samsung parodies infamous Apple Crush just a week after Apple unveiled and subsequently pulled its controversial ad for its new iPad Pro models. Rival company Samsung published an ad mirroring Apple's ill-fated marketing video in an attempt to hit back at the Cupertino tech giant. Dubbed UnCrush, the ad was published on Samsung's official Twitter or X page and features a musician walking through what appears to be the aftermath of Apple's Crush ad, eventually picking up a guitar and playing on it. There's a Galaxy Tab model in the video, of course, which is used to display sheet music. For those unfamiliar with the matter, Apple debuted an ad showcasing the iPad Pro's many features like multimedia creation and entertainment, showing a hydraulic press destroying thousands of dollars worth of items and instruments. The company issued an apology after a number of complaints, which cite the ad as insensitive towards creatives. Going back to Samsung's advertisement, this isn't exactly out of character for the South Korean company, which has occasionally thrown shade at Apple with its marketing campaigns, although it has ironically adopted some of these same product decisions in the years that followed.